Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a project I think hardly any of you guys have heard of. I've personally heard of it recently as well. It's popped up a few places, but I haven't really seen much people discuss it, and it's quite high caliber in my opinion. They haven't done any raises that I know that are public. But anyway, I want to talk about the project in this video and any potential airdrop tasks that you can do. Because it's very early, there's not much, so just to let you know right now, but there are a few things that you can do that will definitely show that you were early supporter of the project, hence give you a very good airdrop allocation. Anyway, so let's get started. So the project is called Frame, and basically what it is a NFT specific layer 2. Okay, so it's a layer 2, a roll up specifically for NFTs. Okay, so this is the website is frame.xyz. Okay, you can check, there's some threads etc here, but anyway, I've got all the interesting threads already for you. So here's the official Twitter, and as you can see, they announced a public testnet recently, and here's a thread by Bankless. So this is also what as you know, Bankless is considered to be very high caliber research. People in Ethereum, they're very well respected, and for good reason. They do a lot of great things for the Ethereum ecosystem. The videos etc are great, and they made a thread about this project, about Frame, and so that's also what kind of inspired me to make this video. Anyway, so they basically talk about some of the unique features about Frame. So they say one of the features is enforcing royalties, create a treasury delegate. Obviously I'll leave this link in the description, guys. I don't want to make the video too long, but I just want to show you some notable things. This is the co-founder, Zora. He's quite well known. He does some thread on airdrops, I believe. I've seen his thread before, and so he's one of the co-founders of this project. He says that for the last 1.5 years he's been building this project, and I believe there's 2 more people that was building it. And this is the official announcement by Frame themselves talking about the project. So these 3 threads, I believe, give you a really good understanding. But long story short, is basically a NFT specific layer 2. Yeah, so let's get into the task. So first of all, you want to add the chain. I'll obviously put the link in the description. Frame testnet, you just want to add the chain, click add MetaMask, and it'll basically add it to your MetaMask. Then you want to basically use the faucet. This is the faucet the website links to, and there's some other ones that I link to will give you more. So basically what they want you, the best way to do it, I would say, is come to one of these websites, these Sepolia faucets, put your Ethereum address in. I believe they give you a bit more. So what you want to do is get Sepolia faucet, which is Ethereum testnet. Sepolia is like the other one, Goli is basically another testnet. So once you've got testnet Ethereum, Sepolia Ethereum, come to their website and basically bridge it. So you can bridge it, as you can see, I've already done it, but you can bridge your Sepolia testnet to their Frame testnet. Okay, and then you can basically hit switch to Sepolia, and then just approve the transactions. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is go to the quest. Okay, so this is what will basically prove to them that you were early user of this project. And all you have to do is click on this, and then it will say it's telling me to view badge, but I think it told me to claim the NFT or whatever, because I already had breached. I breached like 1 ETH or something, because obviously this is testnet ETH. And then the other one is mint first NFT. So to do this, there's actually a guide, which I'll just go in a minute. Actually, let me show you now, then I'll show you the actual NFTs that I got from this. So to do it, you need to click on this guide, and that will basically take you to this Notion, and you basically just follow the procedures here. Obviously you guys can read it, but just to show you guys how to do it, just put that address in, the address that I copied, and then go to contract, then go to write, and then go to mint commemorative NFT. Sorry, I can't say that. Then hit 1 and then click write, and then obviously you're going to be already on their chain, and then just hit write and it will be done. So as you can see here, it says copy that, go on our website, go to contract, and go to write, and then hit 1, and then that's it. And then now I'll just show you the NFTs I actually received. Okay, so view badges. So you can see I've already got 3. I think I was supposed to have 2, but yeah, I think this is just saying that I got 2, and these are the actual NFTs. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, so yeah, guys, I believe this project actually going to be quite high caliber when it comes out. They've put some interesting name behind it. They haven't done any public raising, but I'm pretty sure like 99.9%. They've got some sort of funding they're gonna have, or they might launch some token or do some pre-sale or something. But this seems like a project that's very early on, guys. So A lot of people you will see not have talked about this project, even though it's a quite high caliber project. So if you want more like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll try to find things like most people are not talking about and try to give it to you. So anyway, guys, hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you on the next one.